Here's an example of one of your homework questions tonight. Find the equation of the axis of symmetry and the coordinates of the vertex of the graph of the following function. All right, so finding the axis of symmetry is always going to be the first step that you do, and you always use the equation x equals negative b over 2a. Okay, now for this equation, we need to identify a, b, and c. Might as well do it for every equation. Quadratic equation that you do, you might as well identify a, b, and c. A is in front of the x squared term, right there. And that's 1. B is negative 6, not 6, negative 6. And c is negative 7. Now for axis symmetry, you really don't need c. Okay, but if you're graphing, you will. All right, so negative of b, in this case, b is negative 6. So it's the negative of negative 6. And we all know what happens when we do that. I think we do at least. The opposite of negative 6 is positive 6. And 2 times 1 is 2. The equation for the axis of symmetry is x equals 3. Now, that's what you put in this box. Okay, you don't put 3, you put x equals 3. It's an equation. The word equation means equal sign. Well, kind of. So that's what you put inside of there, x equals 3. And then it asks for the vertex, the next step. You already have the x value of the vertex because it's right there. The vertex will land on the axis of symmetry, so it has to have an x value of 3. You plug the 3 back into the original equation, you'll get y equals 3 squared minus 6 times 3 minus 7. That's 9 minus 18 minus 7. And that becomes negative 9 minus 7, and that equals negative 16. So in this case, the vertex is 3, negative 16. That is finding the equation of axis of symmetry and the vertex of a quadratic.